Okay, Sully and I are going out for the 44th hike of the year. Which trail are we doing?
Lover's Leap Trail.
The Lover's Leap Trail at Custer State Park. And do you remember how long it is?
3 miles.
3 miles. And it's not too chilly, but it's a little chilly.
Yeah, we're gonna get warm up.
All right, so here we go.
I am a wild child, yes I am. I love the country and I wanna run free and I don't wanna live up to anyone's plan. I wanna feel the good vibes and
What do you see up there on the trail?
sunshine with you by my side. I am a wild child, mama. You can.
How many do we see?
5.
Hold me tight if you wanna hold me tonight. Take me where the music's playing. Get me on the dance floor and pull me a little closer and I am a wild child, yes I am.
I'm in my hammock. Dad's gonna get his hammock ready, then he's gonna get lunch. And we packed noodles. It's a beautiful morning. It's been pretty today, so we have all the trees and the blue sky. It's just been so pretty on the hike, and even though it was tiring, it was super good. You can see all the pretty sky. It's very beautiful. I'm laying in my hand, and it's like, oh, that was sorry. I did not mean to do. I just slipped when I got out of my hammock. Here's my lunch. So I have noodles. Done. Or dessert. So I'm gonna leave that in here. My hot chocolate. I'm laying back, feet out. Woohoo!
You can hold me tight if you wanna hold me tonight. Oh.
Are you gonna quit?